Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Twitter Lite app and what it is. So let's get started. So let us know what it is. So basically it's a light version of the X or the Twitter. Okay. So if you open now X, so X is the heavier version of this app. So basically Twitter Lite is not available now because X have removed this. Okay, you can just go at here to the Google search bar and you can directly search for the Twitter Lite here app. So as you can see here, now Twitter Lite is not available. If you see here, previously it was available for the lighter phones, so they have like banned, so that's why it's not available. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.